Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a 1989 Chevy Blazer. It's got a lift kit, it's got some 35-inch Maxxis tires, some Method beadlock wheels. She's black on black. It's had the motor rebuilt and replaced. It's got the little sliding windows on the top, which were optional back in the day. The paint is kind of driver quality. It's got some flaws in it, but it's good considering it's a truck. Let's go for a little ride. The dash doesn't have any cracks in it. Shows 28,896 on the miles. I'm sure that's 128. It's a manual four-wheel drive setup, which a lot of people prefer over the electronic. Well, let's go for a little ride. It's got the 4-speed automatic transmission. It's got a nice exhaust system. It's got a little sound to it. It's not super quiet. Fuel gauge works, speedometer works. The oil pressure gauge is pegged out, which usually means it's not working right. Temperature gauge looks good. That battery's at 13.6. That looks good. We've had it up in the air. The frame and body mounts are very solid on this truck. Just want to kind of walk around it. There's no radio. It's got power windows, power locks. Seat's got a little wear right here. But again, it's a truck. It's something that looks good, but you can drive it. You don't have to worry about it. Some of the paint flaws, there's some orange peel right here on that quarter panel. This door looks really good. This fender has a few little cracks in the paint. Very nice. The passenger side fender looks good. Passenger door looks good. And the passenger quarter panel looks good. It's got a few little rock chips down there on the bottom. But check out the pictures. Give us a call if you'd like to own this Blazer. Some of these that are in amazing condition are bringing, especially with LS Motors, are selling for over 100,000. This one's affordable, it runs good, and like I said, the motor's been rebuilt. It has headers. I want to show you the engine. Here's the hood release. It's got a Holley 4-barrel, some custom valve covers. There's the headers, which is kind of rebuilt. It's got a new heavy-duty radiator. The air conditioning is not working. It does have a lot of new parts. You can see the alternator, new compressor. It does have power steering, but the truck's got good bones, and the four-wheel drive works well. It's got the automatic locking hubs, and when you put it in four-wheel drive, they lock in, but you have to put it in reverse and back up to unlock the hubs. But thanks for looking. Thanks for your time. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails. If you need help with shipping, we can certainly do that. We have a shipping broker that we use that does a really good job. But again, thanks for looking. Thanks for your time. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails.